So Huawei have just launched their new Nova 10 series featuring the Nova SE, the Nova 10, and this, the Huawei Nova 10 Pro, the trendy flagship, premium design, powerful dual selfie camera, and incredible supercharge. Let me tell you more in this video here on MQuan Reviews. So starting off with the design, Huawei wanted to really make this stand out with this unique color known as ID color number 10 that is this combination of grey and silver. It looks very distinct and premium, and then when you combine that with the AG glass finish, it really stands out. Now then there's this design on the back with the camera in this unusual but symmetrical star orbit ring design. What do you guys think? Comment below. So sticking with the camera, we've got a 50 megapixel ultra vision camera with an f1.8 aperture, and that's paired up with an 8 megapixel ultra wide macro camera and a 2 megapixel portrait depth camera. Take a look at these shots taken in normal lighting. So you've got some dynamic range here with vibrant colors. Shots taken at 1x with the main camera come out well, though after 5x zoom there is some noticeable noise and processing in the images. As far as the macro, I've taken some shots here. What do you guys think? I was impressed with the super night mode on this, as it does a good job and the aperture lets in plenty of light, along with the AI camera to let you take some impressive low light photos. Now the big update on the camera is actually on the front with the impressive 60 megapixel dual selfie camera, complete with 0.7x all the way through to 5x zoom. And you've also got the inclusion of autofocus, which will help capture some great shots. Right guys, here's an example of video that's currently being filmed with that dual selfie front-facing camera. This gives you an idea of how it performs as I move around. Now I like the fact that this does have that wide because it does give you good reference points, particularly if you're planning on using this for vlogging. There is the inclusion of the zoom going all the way up to 5x, which is a lot of detail. Now one of the other features in this vlog mode is the fact that you can actually film in a variety of different ways with the cameras. You can have two rear cameras, you can have front-facing camera and the rear camera as I'm filming currently, and there is the option also for zoom as well. One thing to be aware of though is that this is limited to 1080p, not 4K. So here's an example of video taken with the rear camera. This is currently being filmed in 4K 30 frames per second. Now I'm starting off in 1x, and you'll notice that as far as stabilization as I move around, it does a pretty good job. I like how punchy and vibrant some of the colors are, and when I start zooming in, you'll be able to get all the way up to 6x zoom. Now when I pull out, I want you to pay attention because I'm going to pull all the way out to wide, and you'll notice now that those greens aren't as punchy as the 1x. So that's one of the things that I noticed. Overall, it does a decent job actually with video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the overall video quality. Let's take it all the way back to 1x, and also of the audio quality as well. Now one of the features in vlog mode is follow focus. It allows you to follow a subject even if they're temporarily blocked for 6 seconds and then they reappear, and it just helps keep your subject in focus. Now photos and videos will look great on this 6.78 inch OLED 120Hz original color curve display. It's got a premium feel in the hands, and multimedia and gaming look great on it. Performance-wise, this comes with 8GB of RAM, 256GB storage, and is powered by the Snapdragon 778 4G chipset, so no 5G. And you also get Huawei mobile services, including an ever-expanding number of apps on Huawei's own app gallery. So you can download popular apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and including a wide variety of local apps as well. And if you have any other recent Huawei hardware, the Nova 10 Pro can utilize Huawei's super device, where you're able to get more functionality. Check out the video at the end of this one to see how that feature works. As far as battery life is concerned, it's powered by a 4500 mAh battery, although I would have liked to see more as a heavy user, but the included 100 watt Huawei supercharge is incredibly impressive. You're going to get an insane full charge in around 20 minutes with turbo mode once it's plugged in, and you'll be able to get from 20% to 80% in around 10 minutes. Huawei are able to achieve these insane charging times while maintaining battery health thanks to what they're calling an ultra generation VC liquid cooling. It's really very impressive. So for pricing in the UAE and the Middle East, check out the description below. There's some cool freebies you can get with pre-orders too. What do you think of the Nova 10 Pro and the Nova 10 series in general? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and check out this other video here.